Hello everyone. So if you remember in one of my video, I believe last week I talked about displaying time within Emacs, but it is also possible to display a proper clock like an analog clock. And it is very simple. I thought I'll probably share it with all of you because you will definitely like this. I know you will like this, you will love this. So basically there is a package called svg-clock which you can install, and if you run this or if you basically enable this svg-clock, it will display this wonderful, nice, beautiful clock in your buffer. What I normally recommend, of course, now you can display it somewhere on your Emacs when it is running, but you can also create a small window for it. For example, if you split the window, and if you maybe look at your buffer on the right hand side, let us enable the svg clock here, and it looks so nice. It looks super cool. I mean, there are endless possibilities when it comes to displaying time. You can actually use it wherever you want. Maybe just display it in a corner. And good thing is that it is in a way a bit the size of the clock will be based on the available space. So if you split the window, it will basically resize it. You can also split the window horizontally, and it looks wonderful. And it is, you can see it is a proper clock. It looks amazing, simple, and maybe when you're working, if you're used to looking at a clock, maybe you're doing some test and you need a clock in front of you, I guess you need this package, svg-clock. And I thought I'll probably share it with all of you. I know, short video, but these small things, these little improvements will help you in getting the most out of your Emacs setup. All right, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.